In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up account-based marketing in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your contacts from there. So click on CRM, and then from in there, click on contacts. With this, you can just identify and create target accounts that you want to focus on. So for this case, since you have our contacts, let's proceed to edit its settings from there. So click on this settings or gear icon. From this case, just scroll down to the objects and select contacts. And from in there, you can go over to the accounts option or to the ABM right here. You can also click onto this more page and see the associations for this. With this, you can define account tiers like high, or medium, or low priority for those particular contacts and create ABM workflows to send personalized emails for them. You can also track engagement with reports and dashboard that it has available. Once you're done, you should be good to go. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.